Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make circle crochet for beginners. We'll start by mastering the magic ring, which creates a perfectly closed center for your work. Then, I'll guide you through the essential technique of increasing stitches consistently in every round to maintain a flat circle. Finally, we'll discuss selecting the appropriate hook size and yarn weight to ensure your project turns out beautifully. Let's get started on your first circular piece. Now, let's dive into the fundamental stitches you'll need for circular crochet. We'll focus on both single crochet and double crochet, showing you how they contribute to different textures and sizes. It's crucial to count your stitches precisely in each round to ensure your circle remains flat and even. Don't forget to use a stitch marker. It's a simple tool that makes keeping track of your rounds much easier and prevents errors. Once you're comfortable with the basics, we'll move on to perfecting the shape of your circle. I'll show you how to prevent common issues like ruffling or cupping, ensuring your piece lays perfectly flat. We'll also cover the best methods for finishing off your work, creating a clean and secure edge. Plus, I'll share some easy tips for incorporating color changes, adding a vibrant touch to your circular crochet projects. You'll be amazed at what you can create. With your new skills, the possibilities for circular crochet are endless. You can start with practical items like coasters, placemats, or even small rugs for your home. Or, if you're feeling adventurous, try making parts for amigurumi toys such as heads or bodies. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep experimenting with different yarns and hook sizes. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to some fantastic darn tough socks and other great deals. Happy crocheting!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.